glad we got this all leveled out because it'd be hard. It was hard to walk on before all the
Hey,
rocks.
record that, Kelly, 'cause that's funny.
Yeah. Good.
Hey, come here. Right here. Oops.
Oh, hold on, do it again.
She's like,
Wait, light it, hurry.
Mia.
You gotta light it, then you can run.
Mark's not going to let you get burnt, sissy. He'll get you out of there. You'll be all right.
Hold on, Ty, one more time. The match keeps going out.
Sissy, Uncle Mark will get you out of there. Light your candle. Light your firework.
Over there, man, come on.
She's scared. Uncle.
Okay, all right.
What's your mom?
Go ahead and light that one.
All right, sit down. Turn
He's
around.
like, okay, that makes sense.
Whew, that's hard work, she said.
Sissy, turn around and watch. Uncle Mark's lighting it.
That was hard to light.
Run, Daddy, run.
Here we go.